A home isn't just where you live, it's where life blossoms. And here, in the IT hotspot of Coimbatore at Saravanampatti, tranquility meets premium living, giving you the best of both worlds. Welcome to Lotus Meadows, a premium gated community. Comprising 39 exquisite villas and 65 spacious apartments spread across 4.21 acres with more than 50 amenities. We are in front of a north-facing 2,600 square feet 3 BHK villa with contemporary elevation and 3D design elements. Let's start right here at the entrance. You've got 2 dedicated parking spaces, and some villas also have 3 car parks. See the main door? Made of solid teakwood frame, designer veneer shutters and secured by digital lock with 4 operation modes. Perfect blend of tradition and technology. Look at this living room. A spacious 15 by 12 feet area that can easily fit a large sofa set, entertainment unit and still feel airy. The large 6 by 4 premium vitrified tiles reflect natural light beautifully, making the room more spacious. And with these big windows, the natural light during the day is just beautiful. Now, the heart of the home, the dining area. This space is massive, nearly 20 by 12 feet. To give you perspective, it can easily fit a 6-seater dining table and you'd still have room for a side buffet counter or a little coffee nook. There's also a space on the other side that can be customized either as a reading area or a bar counter. And then, beyond the dining area, you step into the outdoor deck and lawn, perfect for hosting private parties and barbecue nights. Let's head into the kitchen. At 9 by 9 feet, it's spacious and very efficient. So you've got enough storage space and electrical provisions for your appliances. Next to it, you've got a 9 by 5 utility space, perfect for your washing machine, sink and water purifier. Beyond that, there's a drying yard, a practical addition that keeps laundry out of sight. These functional areas are neatly tucked away, leaving the rest of the home uncluttered. You also have little green corners around the villa that can be a kitchen garden or a play zone for kids. On this floor, you've also got a large 14 by 12 bedroom with an attached bath, ideal for parents or guests. Here's a detail I personally love. The staircase is wide and well lit, which makes even this transition space feel open. Let's check out the first floor. Here, you're greeted by the family lawn. At nearly 20 by 12 feet, this could be your second living area, a home theater, or even a home office. It's the kind of space that grows with your family's needs. Now, let's step into the master bedroom. This is pure luxury. At 14.5 by 14 feet, it's large enough for a king bed, reading chair, side tables, and it still has plenty of space to move around. Attached to it is a walk-in wardrobe. And the bathroom here is premium in every sense. Anti-skid tiles, branded fittings from Jaguar, and a rain shower. Just outside, you also have a 12 by 6 feet terrace, which could double up as a cozy spot. The second bedroom on the first floor is also generously sized. It's 14.5 by 12 feet and it comes with a spacious walk-in wardrobe and an attached bathroom. And yes, it comes with its own private 11 by 8 feet balcony. Finally, let's head up one more level, the private terrace. This is where your imagination can run wild. A rooftop garden, a barbecue and a bar counter, or even a yoga deck. At Lotus Meadows, you're not just getting a home, you're getting a community. A grand clubhouse, fitness zones, mini theatre, cricket turf, badminton court, children's play areas, gardens, over 50 amenities and features that turn everyday living into something special. So that's the full tour of Infinium Lotus Meadows Villa. And what stands out to me is how every corner of this house is planned, balancing functionality and style. It's not just a villa, it's a lifestyle upgrade. So when are you coming to see it in person?